Bamboo and cotton. Take a positive step forward by replacing plastic cotton swabs with bamboo ones. By using bamboo, you will help avoid using unnecessary plastic in your day-to-day life. Natural. The cotton swabs are made of bamboo, a strong and durable alternative to plastic. Bamboo copes well with water, does not splinter and is more gentle for sensitive skin. Details. You will receive 4 boxes of 200 bamboo cotton swabs, 800 pieces total, each measuring 2.9 inches. They are packaged in a cardboard box. No plastic. The organic ear sticks for the bathroom are plastic-free. They are a great alternative for replacing plastics. Versatile. Not just for your ears. You can use the wooden cotton swabs for cleaning, makeup, oral use, pet care and much more. Top reviews from the United States. Second purchase, great quality and price. This is the second purchase of this brand. I bought the larger quantity because I really like this product. Because we use so many cotton swabs and I wanted a good product that was eco-friendly.